What's happening, y'all? Had a little mishap. This noticed it a couple trips that every time I try to tighten this down, my plug, it just wouldn't tighten down. But it was enough where I can force it in, and we were okay. We weren't getting any water, but I was trying to fix it. So when I did, what I noticed when I was trying to take that nut off, it was broken. This was broken side, like that. And then this side over here, well, I'll help if I focus in. So it was snapped inside here. This was sticking out of the top. It ties to the string right here. Anyway, I tucked the string in. I put in this so I can do my little fishing trip. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I refished that back out. Got it from in there. So now I'll put the new one on. And here we go. Got it on there. Good as new. There we go. Problem fixed.